Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School. Welcome to our digital school.
Good morning, it's a bright sunny day. Good morning, it's a bright sunny day. We all have gathered here to have a good day. We all have gathered here to have a good day. Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all fine and safe. Myself, Ashalata Sandeep Salyan. I am class teacher of Higher KG. Today I am going to teach you general knowledge subject. Today's topic is sources of water. Children, look at this picture and now tell me what can you see in this picture? Yes, we can see picture of water. Children, where can you see water? Yes, we can see water in tap, river, sea and lake. Correct. Water is very important for us. All living things need water for their survival. So, children, we should not waste the water. We must save water. Children, now tell me, from where do we get water? Yes, we get water from rain. Rainwater is a precious natural resources. The rainwater is collected in well, tap, river, stream and lake. Children, river, lakes, stream and well are source of water. Okay, these are sources of water. So children, today in this class we will learn more information about sources of water. Sources of water have two types. They are natural sources and man-made sources of water. Let's see natural sources of water. Natural sources of water are those which can be found on earth naturally. These sources cannot be constructed by the human. Children, now let's see some examples of natural sources of water. Sea, ponds, streams, lakes, rivers and rain. Next, man-made sources of water. Man-made sources of water are artificial sources which can be constructed by the human. Children, now let's do our activity. The activity is put a tick for activities that save water and cross for activities that waste water. Children, look at the first picture. Closing tap. Okay, this activity is that save water. So, we will tick in the box. Next picture is leaving a tap running. This activity is that waste water. So, we will put in the cross in the box. Look at the next picture. Using a shower for bath. This activity is that waste water. So we will put in cross in the box. Next one. Using a bucket for bath. This activity is that save water. So we will tick in the box. Next, washing the car using a pipe. This activity is that waste water. So we will cross in the box. Last one is using only a bucket of water to wash the car. This activity is that save water. So we will put a tick in the box. Children, I hope you all understood this lesson. You should practice at home. We will meet in next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.